Take a ride in the 2018 Escalade. A full-size luxury SUV, the Cadillac Escalade stands for A-list style. Thrilling, yet effortless performance combined with advanced luxury and technology that's on the leading edge of the industry makes the Escalade an easy choice. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, electronic parking brake, roof rails, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.